everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make shoyu butter tomorokoshi gohan. It's simple corn rice seasoned with soy sauce and butter. When we make corn rice, we normally season it with salt, which is very good. But this soy saucy and buttery corn rice is also my favorite. I love the color, texture and flavor, every part of it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this shoyu butter tomorokoshi gohan. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 2 corns, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce and butter, and some salt and pepper. It's very easy to remember. 2 of everything other than the salt and pepper. I'm going to cook the rice and corn separately and put them together later on. And I'm going to cook the rice first. So let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. And drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so let's add 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the corn. So remove the husk and the silk. By the way, we call it beard. Silk sounds much nicer. Cut it into half. Slice down like this to separate the kernel and the core. Keep the core. I'm going to cook them with rice to flavor it. Heat up frying pan over medium-high heat and let's add the butter and the kernel. And cook it for about 5 minutes until it's bright yellow. Looks good, so let's add the soy sauce. Give it a mix. You want to caramelize and brown it here just a little bit to add nice toasty flavor. It's looking and smelling good. Kill the heat and the corn is ready. Back to rice. It has been soaked in the water more than half an hour. Put the cob on top. Lid back on and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low, as low as you can go, and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. The rice has been steamed for 10 minutes, so it's time to put these two together. Remove the cob. Add the corn sauteed with soy sauce and butter. Mix and fluff it. And some salt and pepper to taste. Put the lid back on and let it sit for 5 minutes so the rice soak up the aroma. Okay, let's serve in the bowl. Little more butter and dried parsley for better presentation if you like. And shoyu butter tomorokoshi gohan. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. The butter I put on top melted with the heat of the rice. Itadakimasu. Fluffy rice with soy saucy and buttery corn. It can't be bad. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Shoyu butter tomorokoshi gohan goes here, and your favorite miso soup here. The rice is buttery and rich, so let's go light on the other dishes. How about pork and lettuce rolls for the main? Spinach and sesame salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickle to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!